Hey guys, my name is Katy Haywood and I'm the CYFAR STEM coordinator for Richmond, Anson, and Marlboro counties. Today in our 4-H Daily Spark, we are going to be working with an after-dinner science kit titled Balloon Powered Car. So before we get into our actual experiment, what is wind energy? Wind is actually created by the uneven heating of the earth. We have all felt wind blowing at some point in our lives. But have you ever paid attention to how strong it can actually be? It's really quite powerful. Think about standing in front of a fan or drying your hands in a public bathroom. In severe storms, like hurricanes or tornadoes, wind can be strong enough to completely destroy houses, cars, and other large objects. Using that strong power of wind can actually be helpful. Wind power can be harnessed in a number of different ways. Windmills create mechanical energy, sails move boats, and wind turbines create electricity. Wind energy is clean and renewable, which makes it a really great resource for us. Wind or moving air is also created when a balloon is let go. So let's explore that idea a little bit more. The materials that you'll need for this experiment is 1 empty water or soda bottle, and you need the lid still on top of it. 4 bottle tops, and they all need to be the same size. You're going to need 2 straws. One you will keep whole, and the other you will cut in half. 1 wooden skewer, and you'll half it as well. A balloon. You'll need tape and glue for this. The first step of this experiment is you'll take your half of a skewer, both halves here, and your 4 bottle caps and your 2 halves of a straw, and you'll actually insert your wooden skewer inside your straw so that it's kind of like a little covering for it. These are your axles. They'll be what holds your wheels for your balloon powered car. So you'll take your skewer here with the straw around it, and you'll use your glue, and you can either use regular glue or you can use hot glue. Hot glue actually works better, but hot glue can be very dangerous, so make sure that you have a caregiver to help you with that part. So you will put your bottle cap wheel down on the table, and you'll put glue, and you will hold your skewer on it, and it might take a little while. You might want to lay it down, but you will do this 4 times so that each side of your skewers has your wheels. Okay guys, so I have let my axles dry and I have put them together. So here you see your bottle cap, and we've glued it to the skewer. Make sure that you don't actually glue the straw, and so that your skewer can move in and out and around inside your straw itself, so that when your bottle moves, your wheels can actually move. And I've also taken my bottle here and I have glued the straws onto the bottle. Just make sure again that those skewers can still move inside those straws. So we have glued our bottle cap tires to our skewers and our straws to our bottles. And so now we have a nice car. You can see the wheels The next part of this experiment is to take some tape and your balloon and a hole straw, and what you're going to do is you are going to put the straw inside your balloon, and you're going to use pieces of tape to seal off your balloon itself so that no air could escape from around it. Okay, so as you can see, I have created a sealed area here with my tape. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. And so we have our straw here attached to our balloon. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually attach our straw to our bottle. As you can see, we have taped our balloon and our straw here to our actual bottle. So if you can see, we've just used some tape here and we've just wrapped it around the bottle, and we put our straw so that the end is sticking a little further out than the bottle so you can actually put your wind inside of your balloon. So now let's see wind energy in action. If you think about Newton's third law of motion, it says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to blow air into your straw, and your sealed balloon here should not allow any air to be released. So you're going to put your balloon down, and your balloon is forced in the opposite direction of the wind. So we'll do that one more time so that you can watch as wind energy pushes our car. We're applying our wind into our balloon where we blew it up, and now we will let it go and the wind will be released this way, and because of Newton's third law of motion, our car will go in the opposite direction. I hope you have fun playing with your balloon-powered car and learning more about wind energy and Newton's third law of motion. Whenever you finish your car, I want you to post a picture in the comments below. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great day.